This is my 1984 Century Bronco Bowrider. This is a Kijiji purchase that I did with my neighbor. $500 with the trailer. This side's nice and clean over here. I'm just going to show you. I've been doing a little cleaning. This is what it looked like on the side. And read a bunch online and watched a bunch of videos, and everybody seems to say that one of the best ways is using acidic toilet bowl cleaner. So I bought this stuff and put it into a spray bottle, and I have been slowly chipping away at the really thick stuff over here with a chisel. But once that's knocked off, just spray that stuff on. Come back and show you what it looks like in a few minutes. So this is it from just sitting on there for about, I don't know, about 8 minutes or so. I'm just going to take the scouring pad and just show you over here. Slowly, how this stuff comes off. It's just unbelievable. Unbelievable. Can't believe the results. Should definitely be doing this wearing gloves, by the way. Cannot believe how clean this comes. Alright, here's the final shot. It's a little bit, sun's going down a little bit, so hope you can see it well over here. And again, that's number 2 that I gotta hit. I'd say that's not too bad for some $6 toilet bowl cleaner.